Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about applied cases for customer management tool, which we discussed last time. In this video, we are going to talk about three different applied cases. The first one is a product management tool. Second will be HR management tool. The last one will be manufacturing management tool. Before starting it, all three files are free. Feel free to download it from below links. Then let's get started. The first one is product management tool. In this case, hierarchy structure is following category, subcategory, and product name. In under product name, you are able to see all other information which is existing in this sheet. In the same manner, please click show button here. Then you are able to see product management tool. The first thing is category. If you click one more time, you are able to see subcategory here. If you click, you are able to see product name. If you click, you are able to see detailed information of this product. The main idea is the same as before. At the moment, everything is gray color, which is not allowed to changing anything. If you click add button here, it changes to cancel. Also, at the same time, all the boxes become white color, which allow to change the information inside. After changing some value, like here 452, if you click save button, click yes, click OK, the value has been changed now. In the same manner, if you click new button, you are able to add new information, which will update it in the product category worksheet. If you click reset button, everything will be clear. For delete button, if I click here, click delete button, it asks whether you want to delete this or not. If you click reset view button, it goes back to default setting. On the left side, you can see search bar. In here, you can put value like Dell. You are able to see the relevant product information very quickly. Just click one more time, you are already there. If you click clear button, go back to default setting. If you want to close this window, simply go here, click this button. Let's move on to next case. The next one is HR management tool. The hierarchy structure is department, team, after that employee name. Let's directly hit show button here. Then you are able to see employee management window. The first one is a department. If you click one more time, you are able to see team. After team, you are able to see employee names, which is this B column. In detail section, you are able to see all other information which existing in worksheet. The below part, all the buttons are same function as before. Also, the search function is similar as before. The main differences compared to before or compared to customer management is inside this name are different. Later on, I will show you how to change this part. Then I close it now. Let's move on to last applied cases, which is manufacturing management tool. The hierarchy structure is following. Factory, product line, and machine name are applied. For detailed demonstration, I will click this show button here. Then you are able to see machine management system as default setting. The first one is factory. If you click factory, you are able to see product line. After that, you are able to see machine name here. If I click machine 4, you are able to see detailed information on selected machine from machine ID up to shift information. In the below part, you are able to see 5 different buttons which allow you to control your information easily. Starting with edit button, you are able to change your information. If you click again in the gray color, it is not allowed to change your information. If you click new button, you are able to add new. In addition, you have a reset button and delete button as well. If you want to go back to default setting, Just click Reset View button here. You go back to the initial stage. On the left side, you are able to use a search box, which can be quick search approach. Up to now, simply introduce 3 different files and how to use your applied fields. The next part, I will show you how to change it. For example, let's go here. In this case, compared to customer management tool, the main difference is upper here is changed it. In order to change this part, what you have to do is following. First, we have to go to VBA tool. To open this window must be closed. Let's go to VBA editor, press Alt F11 button. Then you are able to see this window. In this case, we open 3 files. Therefore, you are able to see 3 different product informations. Let's stay with the manufacturing information. Double clicking it. For example, if you want to change the name of a machine management system, simply go down to here, go to caption. In this section, you are able to change your name. For example, I removed E here, and then the E part is disappearing. Just want to put it back again. The main idea is you select the one you want to change, and then you will see this part here. Go to caption area. After that, you change the word as you wish. The next part is the panel. When you see the cross, simply dragging it with the left-hand mouse button, put it into somewhere on the left side, you are able to see second frame. Then what you have to do is the same as before. Select the one you want to change. Go to caption, which is machine name in this case. Change the part here. Then you move on to next labels until the last one. What if you want to change the inside of a function? Simply click the one which you want to change or adding the functionality, double clicking it. It will automatically go into the relevant area. In this case, I click the command button clear. Here is a click. When I click something or when user clicks something, the relevant action is following. What if you want to change the functionality of this one? Simply adding new VBA code for this part. Once you complete your coding part, simply double clicking it, then you will go back to user form. The next part, you have to put it back description frame on top of detail frame. The idea is the same. Clicking it, when you see the cross sign, hold left mouse button, hovering on top of the other frame, then release it. Now you complete all the changes. The other important part is go back to worksheet. This header name has to be in line with your manufacturing detailed informations. Lastly, I hope these 3 files are giving small benefit for your daily work. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.